Home HVAC Services Group provides dependable emergency furnace repair in Phoenixville, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners restore heat when unexpected problems occur. Our technicians carefully inspect the equipment to identify the source of the problem and complete the necessary repairs using reliable parts and proven methods. Call our emergency furnace repair if you have any questions. Are you looking for an emergency furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services Group. What furnace problems require emergency repair? Contact an emergency HVAC technician if your furnace stops producing heat, repeatedly shuts down, makes loud or unusual noises, emits a burning or gas odor, or causes the carbon monoxide detector to activate. Do you provide emergency furnace repair in Phoenixville, Pennsylvania? Yes. Home HVAC Services Group provides prompt emergency furnace repair for homeowners throughout Phoenixville, Pennsylvania, helping restore reliable heat when unexpected breakdowns occur. What is your service area for the Phoenixville, Pennsylvania service office? Our emergency furnace repair has served Phoenixville, Montclair, Wayhill, Bertrandville, Kimberton, Oaks, Arcola, Royersford, Valley Forge, Wilbourn Acres, Spring City, Chesterbrook, Parker Ford, Abbey Downs, Audubon, Pennsylvania. Where is your Phoenixville, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 710 Wheatland Street, Phoenixville, Pennsylvania 19460. Our phone number is 610-601-6106. Visit our website, www.homehvacservicesgroup.com/locations/Phoenixville-PA.